This equation made a lot of people fail, but I'll show you the tricks to not fail in this equation. Today we have 6 divided by 6 divided by 6 times 6. So let's solve it. We get 6 divided by 6, so we get 1, then we get 6 times 6, we get 36, and we have division, so in the end we get 1 divided by 36. And that's pretty much the most common problem, because this is not correct according to the PEMDAS, or order of the operations, where if we have the same priority operations like here, division and multiplication, M and D in PEMDAS, we need to work from left to right. So now with this knowledge, let's try to solve this one correctly. We have 6 divided by 6, we do this first because it's on the left side. We get 1. Then we have divided by 6, and we also have times 6. Wait, if you like the explanation so far, please consider subscribing. Thank you! So now 1 divided by 6, we could divide it potentially, but we will not, because this will be an uneven decimal and we don't want those. So we get 1 over 6 as a fraction, this is the better form, times 6. And for your simplicity, let's try to write it as a fraction, 6 divided by 1. So now it's pretty clear that we need to multiply 6 by 1 and this 6 by this one. So we get 6 divided by 6. If you have multiplication by one number, you can just put this number and multiply it by the numerator, like I did here. We have 6 divided by 6, so we get 1. And 1 is the final solution. And if you want to test your knowledge in PEMDAS, you can watch this video to test yourself. Have a nice one.